Thank you, Manita. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. On behalf of the Pallavi Capital District, I welcome you all to this special day. It's the eve of the International Women's Day, which is going to get even more special pretty soon, special and exciting. Pallavi needs no introduction to the music and dance connoisseurs of the capital region. We are an active presence in the community for the past 25 years, promoting classical Indian music and dance through various events, concerts, competitions, workshops, Tyagaraja Aradhana, to name some. Though our primary focus has been on Carnatic music, opportunities like this one today gives us scope to patronize all forms of classical dance, Bharatanatyam in particular. When Matangi approached Pallavi to be a sponsor for her appeal to the Arts Grand Council with the theme Shakti, we felt it was our pleasure to be involved in this grand program. Now, what followed later, as you're going to see, of course, is all a result of Matangi's tireless efforts leading up to this day, this grand celebration of womanhood. Congrats Matangi, Anu, all the artists who are going to be performing today. I'm extremely happy to announce, as I said, it has been 25 years, so it's our silver jubilee for Pallavi, and we have started it off on a great note. We began with the performance of kids at the Mahashivratri celebrations a couple of weeks ago, and now it's Shakti. So Shakti and Shiva, the consciousness and energy. We cannot have a better beginning than this one. Can we have a big round of applause, please? I would like to thank all the founding members of Pallavi at this time. Some of them are already here today, especially Rajan sir. If Rajan is here, yes, there he is, the audio guy. And we also have like Professor Krishnamurthy, I don't know if he's here today, and a couple of other members, founding members. So we'd like to acknowledge them today. And also I would like to introduce our new team to the audience. We have, again, Rajan sir as our Vice President of Pallavi for this year. And we have, I request you all the office bearers to please stand up so people get to know you. Priya Balasubramanyam, who's also a music teacher in this area and well known for her artistic displays in the community. Many of you may have seen her creative work. She's the secretary for this year. And Mr. Chokalingam Subramanian will continue as the treasurer of Pallavi. And the most important part of Pallavi is the upcoming youth, right? All of you will agree on that. So we have a youth wing called Pallavi Youth Organization, and that will be led by Srimati Lavanya Balaji. Please stand up, Lavanya. I know you don't like to stand, but please do this time. She will be leading with support of Srimati Lavanya Chandramouli. So yeah, there is two Lavanyas here. We call them Clifton Park sisters, just like Bombay sisters. You know, we call them Clifton Park sisters. So she will be supporting her and also being supported, and we have like a tremendous support from our existing team, like from our volunteer members, board members, and everybody is, especially Revati, Pooja, all of them are going to be like, you know, we need their guidance and support to take us to the next level, to take Pallavi to the next level. We have a lot of events planned for this year, so I request you all to support us, to sponsor and come, like be the audience. The audience is the pillar of any organization's growth. So please be there, and we would like you to, we have new membership plans being revamped. We have a Facebook page, we have a Pallavi website, it's pallaviny.org. So if you log in there, you can see all the upcoming events, and we have several ones planned. We have workshops, both for adults and for kids, and we are trying to bring some, you know, really renowned artists concerts, and also upcoming artists. So we want to, we want to encourage them and also inspire the youth of the community. So we have all that planned for this year. Once again, I request you all to support us, and you can contact any one of us here after the event to get to know more. And we also have some flyers out there for the next event, which is the Pallavi Youth Organization's performance. So again, thank you all. Thanks for this opportunity, and thank you all for coming here. I know it wouldn't have been a very easy decision to make, but thank you again, and enjoy. So I'm looking forward to seeing this too. Thank you so much.